How to enable Dapp browser to Trust Wallet. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to enable Dapp browser to Trust Wallet, open the Trust Wallet application on your device first and make sure you are logged in. Now, on the top left of your screen, you will see the settings button. Tap on that and then tap on the preferences option. You will see the option for Dapp browser. Tap on that. Make sure the toggle button for Connect tab automatically is enabled, and now if you go back to the home page of Trust Wallet, you will see a new tab added to the bottom dashboard called Dapps. If you tap on that, you will be able to open up the Dapp browser on your Trust Wallet. The Dapp browser allows you to use decentralized application like PancakeSwap or Uniswap in order to swap tokens. So this is how you can enable Dapp browser to Trust Wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.